Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're doing well. Cosmetic makeup mockup pack. These files are PSD for Photoshop in 8.21 GB, but don't worry, I will compressed in RAR file. First, you need subscription for extract of my all data. Go to sherryskpwd.com and get subscription for lifetime. Then you have all access of my data for lifetime. Okay, beauty cream bottle branding mockup. Here JPG for preview, and you can put your own title of your product. Same thing, put your logo here, description of your product. Okay, PSD file. I know you know how to customize or edit in Photoshop. Same thing here, PSD, and here JPG for preview. Okay, and here cream jar with box branding, cosmetic tube bottle with packing mockup. Okay, for example, I open this one, a product PSD. Place your design here, change color here. Oh, sorry. Double click, and now you need anything. You see, and again I go try write any name. For example, I put here channel name Sheri SK. I tell you just for example. You see, cosmetic cream, and here water. Spray bottle. All files are PSD and full customizable. Subscribe my channel, and you need subscription for access of my all data. Take care. Allah Hafiz.